Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to go live on Facebook. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on Facebook and then tap this icon and tap live. Perfect. Now you can change your audience. For example, if you want to go live with public, with anyone on Facebook, tap this one. If you want to go live with friends, you can choose also friends accept, or if you want to go live with specific friends, or you can go live only with you. So then tap save, and now you can also share this live in your story. If you want to disable it, just tap here and disable sharing your live on story. Perfect. Here you can also change the camera. You can allow microphone or mute. You can allow the flash, and you can add some effects on your live. So that's it. After that, tap go live. And perfect. As you can see, you are on the live right now. If you want to finish live, just tap finish, and that's it. Now you can delete your live. Just tap this icon to delete your video broadcast. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and see you to the next video.